Today, let us see a chemical reaction. When metal reacts with acid, it gives rise to hydrogen gas. For that, we need acid. So, to confirm the acid, I am taking a sample of acid in a water glass and I am using blue litmus paper. As we know, when blue litmus paper is immersed, it turns into red. This represents that it is acid. When acid is reacting with any metal, it gives rise to effervescence and releases hydrogen gas. And also it gives you pop sound. Let us see the sound also when closing it, so that you can see gas is collected in the conical flask. Here reaction is magnesium reacts with sulfuric acid. It gives rise to magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. You can see the effervescence of hydrogen gas. When I blow the matchstick here, you can see the pop sound. That represents the gas is hydrogen gas.